In this video, I will be showing you how to download and install iTunes in Windows PC or laptop. So let's get started. First thing, just go to search and type store. We will be having the Microsoft Store. Open it, and in the Microsoft Store, just search for iTunes, and we will be having the iTunes app, and this is from Apple itself. So if you click this, we will be able to see all the other Apple products over here. So just go back and simply click on get. This will take some time to download and install, so just be patient for a while. Once it is installed, you will be having the open option over here, and if you go to search and type iTunes, you'll be having that app. You can create a desktop shortcut or pin it to taskbar. Just open it now, and we'll be getting the iTunes license agreement. Read it through and click on agree, and we'll be getting the iTunes interface like this. Simply sign in and start using it. That's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.